Today is a BMW X3. In today we've got a BMW X3 M40 diesel. We've done the Canimo immobiliser, so we're still doing a free promotion on the Bluetooth tags. In the pack we give you the spare battery and a little screwdriver. You also get emergency override. There's also a QR code pack there, which if you click on it, it'll take you to how to put it into service mode and download the apps and stuff. Our contact details, so everything you need is currently in the information pack. So let me show you how all this works. So this vehicle will allow you to start. It's got two forms of layers going on. So if you see here, you can't select gear. Vehicle's just locked out. But the secondary layer is an engine kill. So if we hold it in gear, kills the engine. So this is the secondary layer. So this also allows us to do another feature of anti-hijack. So you've got full control with anti-hijack option upgrade on this vehicle as well. So it allows you to restart again, but obviously we can't select gear. So if you watch the top of the dash indication, I'll enter the customer's demo code. We'll get a flash there of the main beam. That is to say it's disarmed. And now we can select gear. Switch the vehicle off. This one doesn't rearm until we exit the vehicle, so very convenient. As soon as we exit the vehicle, it'll rearm. Two flashes of the main beam there, and then we're back to being secured. So ignition on, can't select gear. So you could either enter your PIN code, show it the Bluetooth tag, or you can turn on your mobile phone and have that paired as well. So there's three ways of disarming it, very convenient. Interested in getting your vehicle secured, give us a call, Tony Lit Car Security, 0333 012 9028.